OK Bridges here, and I'm in the historic town of Ralston, Oklahoma, and just out and about. And since it is a Saturday, I'm going to stop in the antique shop that's in the first floor of the Ralston Opera House and take a look around. So it should be a lot of fun. Let's go in and see what they've got. As you can see, there's a nice assortment of things in here, from typewriters to old photographs. 1940s radio console phonograph. Photos of local monuments that are here and gone, including Pawnee, Oklahoma's original high school, designed by Guthrie architect Joseph Foucault, who also designed the Williams Hall at the Oklahoma AMC campus in 1900 and the Oklahoma Northwestern in Alva, as well as several landmark buildings in Guthrie, including Guthrie City Hall, where the Oklahoma Constitution was drafted and signed. A nice Victor VV6 from 1913. And there's even a few clocks here. It's a Plymouth clock made by Seth Thomas in the 30s in the tambour style. Looks like a 50s Seth Thomas clock, possibly electric. A West clock's ironclad with an odd marking on the dial. A Big Ben, and what have we here? Seth Thomas carriage clock. This appears to be a pretty nice running clock with time and strike. No alarm, but it is very clean and very nice. So I think I'll see if I can pick it up. This is the second room on the other side of the building, on the I think this would be the east side. There's a nice assortment of objects and items in both rooms. It's well worth taking a look at if you're passing through town. I think this is only the second time I've stopped in, and it's really a nice assortment of items. Of course, the building itself is worth looking at too. The old Opera House. The Opera House is on the upper floor. These lower level here, like a lot of opera houses of the period, were constructed as retail space and then rented out, and that's sort of what helped pay for the building. One interesting thing about the way they have this shop set up is it's almost like a museum where you can buy the artifacts, because the tags have little capsule histories of the items that are for sale, which makes it a little bit more interesting. Well, after purchasing the clock, I'm out here on the outside of the building. It's worth taking a look at a few of the things here. And one of the things that's interesting is the cast iron storefront on this building, and there's a builder's plaque on it. Mesker Brothers, Front Builders, St. Louis, Missouri. And if you go to landmarkhunter.com, there's some pictures of this building I took in 2010. And it looks a bit better shape now than it was then. As you can see, some repainting has been done. And it's under new ownership now. The current owner of the building has a YouTube channel called, I think it's Oklahoma Ghost Towns, and if you look in my subscriber list, you can find it. But it's well worth checking out his channel. He's does some very nicely edited videos with historical photos and pleasant music to listen to also while viewing the photos. And I'll just slowly pan around the Main Street here, or High Street for our English viewers, and just give a general look around the town. And also, I would suggest going to landmarkhunter.com, and there's some photographs of some of the other historic buildings here in town, and taking a look at them. And as always, this has been Oklahoma Bridges, and thank you for watching.